Hello everyone. Today, we are going to be discussing a question from Typical PT's platform. Let's jump right in. Here is the question. During morning rounds in the pediatric burn unit, a physical therapist evaluates a 7-year-old boy with superficial, partial thickness burns that span the full anterior trunk and the entire anterior surface of his right lower extremity. Using the pediatric rule of nines, what total percentage of the child's body surface area is affected? Here are your answer choices. A. 27%, B. 18%, C. 25%, D. 31.5%. Go ahead and pause the video right now, think through the logic, and lock in your answer. When you are ready, hit play again to see the solution. Welcome back. The correct answer is choice C, 25%. Before we break down the explanation, I want to mention that the infographic shown here is from the Physical Therapy Essentials book from Typical PT. You can find this diagram and other helpful resources inside that book. Now let's use the diagram to explain why this answer is correct. From the diagram, the anterior trunk accounts for 18% of total body surface area. Each leg accounts for 14% total, which is divided into 7% for the front and 7% for the back. In this case, the burn involves the entire anterior trunk and the entire anterior surface of the right lower extremity. So we only count the front of the trunk and the front of one leg. That gives us 18% from the anterior trunk plus 7% from the anterior right lower extremity. When we add those together, the total affected body surface area is 25%, which matches choice C. Now, let's go over why the other choices are incorrect. Answer choice A, 27%, is incorrect. This value would be correct if an adult were burned in the same areas. But this patient is a child, and pediatric proportions are different. Answer choice B, 18%, is incorrect. This only accounts for the anterior trunk and does not include the anterior surface of the right lower extremity. And finally, answer choice D, 31.5%, is incorrect. This option overestimates the total area burned when using the pediatric rule of nines. Now that you've gone through this case, take a moment to jot down the key points in your Typical PT digital notebook. Use it to organize what you've learned and reinforce how to apply the pediatric rule of nines when estimating burn size. Thanks for watching today's question of the day. We're dropping new NPTE prep content every single day to help you pass with confidence. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Typical PT for daily study tips, quick reviews, and motivation to keep you going.